Installing the Siteimprove extension into your Kentico instance is easy with the Toolkit for Kentico. Let's see how it's done. For this demonstration, we're going to assume you've already installed the Toolkit for Kentico. Next, we'll need to log into your Kentico site as an administrator and launch the Toolkit application. Once the Toolkit application is launched, we can select Siteimprove from the extensions available for installation. This will bring up the Toolkit Extension Installer Upgrader for Siteimprove. We can click Install Now, then acknowledge this may cause a recompile. If we have the proper credentials for the server, it will go ahead and load. In this case, we don't have the proper credentials, so we'll need to add in credentials to complete the installation. Once the extension has been installed, we can close the window. It will take a few moments for the Toolkit window to refresh as the system recompiles. Once the Toolkit application has reloaded, you'll see Siteimprove in the list of extensions installed on this site. To see Siteimprove in the system, all we need to do is go to the Pages application. And once the Pages app has loaded, select a page and click on the Siteimprove tab on the right side of the screen. This will bring up the Siteimprove login window. Enter in your email to continue the login process and use Siteimprove within your Kentico site.